All acts were performed by professionals. Do not recreate any actions performed in this video unless you wanna.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. My name is Eric, or Lovely, whatever you would like to call me. Starting to get used to looking at the actual camera for once. There's people driving right in front of me and I'm scared. I'm used to filming in public. Today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm making a video about my Camaro. I'm doing a little Camaro tour. You know, I own the 2019 Camaro Ss. Got this about a little less than a half a year ago, around September. And as I said in the BMW video, my friend, I was supposed to make a video about it when I got it and show off all my friends and everything, but at that time I was kind of like lazy and I didn't end up recording it. I had a lot of video ideas last year, but I just never ended up doing them. I'm trying to find a spot to record because everything is kind of weird here, but this, doing a little tour on the outside of the car. Gray with black. I have a little carbon splitter in the front splitter in the front, but sturdy. It's kind of peeling now, so I'm gonna have to get a real one. This is fake. I'm gonna be scraping all the time, but it's gray and black. Black wheels. I had painted the calipers myself purple. Not a really good job, but you know, it was free. Well, not really, I had to pay for the paint, but so this is what the car looks like. This is the back, smoked, clear, tail lights. You got the decal, lovely decal, and then a little frowny face. Used to have side boys right here. I took it all off and just left that. And then I have like, I need a new tint because it's all bubbly. And so what it sounds like is what the car sounds like. It's stock exhaust. I just have a muffler delete. I didn't do it. The guy before me did it. I'll show you the interior. I had added this myself. Carbon little piece. Well, friend got it for me, but I'm gonna just say I got it myself. Car's dirty. I need to get a car wash, but this is the door. The door is really heavy. At night, this is LED strip right here. So it comes with the SS, which you pay extra for, I guess. Bose sound system, so it's very, very loud, very good sounding. SS seats, kind of bucket seats, not really. Back seat, non-existent. Very dirty. Do not look that way. Very dirty. But I mean, people fit here. I fit in Jazz and Aussie back there. Very dirty again. Floor mats. I have tinted windows. The car already came tinted. Rear view mirror. Don't really have it set for my view because this is actually a camera, so it's really good for, because they have like no. You've seen TikToks about like the jokes of Camaros. Just you driving, right? Driving, whipping, right? Here, let me change lanes. Look over. All right. All right, you can barely see it. All right. Let me look back window so I can, if there's a car right there. Oh, yeah. It comes with power shifters. They are pretty responsive. You know, as you can tell in the videos, I'm a pretty big boy. I'm very tall, but I think I fit. You know, my knees are basically touching everything, but for me, it's okay. I'm used to it now. My head is basically like right here. I still have some space, a little bit of space. Isn't very loud. I found out how to take off the limiter by doing something with the reverse, and I'll put a clip of it right now. So yeah, it gets pretty loud. Drive around, maybe get some gas, you know, get a drink or something like that, so y'all can see how it feels to drive inside the car. Hopefully y'all like this type of content, car meets and stuff like that. Hope y'all are enjoying so far. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my glasses. Boom! All right, now we're in POV mode. Hopefully it looks good. This is very cool to me. It are sunglasses, so and it is like very cloudy today, so I can't barely even see anything. Plus the tint, it's gonna be very hard. But we're gonna start driving. All right, this is the camera I was telling you about. Look, so when you flip it down, it's just a regular little mirror. Flip it up, camera, boom. Very useful. Let's scrape, please. Let's scrape. Ooh. All right, little empty road right here. Track mode. So barely even tapping it. All right, turned off for a little bit, but y'all heard that? That shit was actually, damn, I was looking like swerving a little bit to the side, but yeah, you can see power, not very fast, but you feel it. You can definitely feel it. But I know when to like hold my neck still, so I don't really feel it. But whenever I have like Ozzy here, whoever here, and I step on it a little bit, like dun, dun. Normally these POV drives are not supposed to talk. There's no cops in the area. It's all, guys, it's all filmed in Mexico. Damn. It pops really easily. Like really easy. I've always see, y'all don't know who Brian Zilla is. I really like his content. He has a pink GTR, really cool. Hopefully one day I make a video with him. He's a pretty cool guy. What I want to do to the car, right now it's just really cosmetic stuff, because you know, obviously all this is. Oh, police here? Oh no, it's not police. Where? Reveal yourself. Behind? Oh shit. Oh. Where, man? Say hello. Oh. I think he fits right there. You gonna cut up or what? Oh. Right now, I'm just doing cosmetic stuff. Obviously, all of this is just cosmetic. The front lip in the front, right? What I will add is an intake. I'll probably upgrade like my fuel injectors and my spark plugs and all that stuff. You know, basic stuff. I just got an oil change. Got a new battery. Slowly but surely I'll start getting better at, you know, conversating with the camera and y'all. Early stages, you know, trying to figure it out. As you can tell from like my first videos, I feel like I'm a little more confident, I guess, or the timer gets to like 30 seconds and you're like, gotta hurry up. No, you drink, you drink. Yeah, once, yeah. 50 en 12, por favor. No. No. Already full. Pretty clean. Front's a little still wet, but it's pretty clean. That looks nice. No. I love these. But yeah, this thing makes me broke. It's $80 for a thing. A lot of cops in the area. Hopefully they do not get caught right now. Right there, I'm not really stepping on it. It's now it's truly the end of the video because not really sure what else to really show you guys. If you guys guarding, I guess, the car, any car in car meets, go ahead and drop a comment. And thank you guys for watching the past videos too. If you guys haven't watched any of the past videos, go ahead and check. Click on my name in the bottom. And go ahead and subscribe and like while you're down there. It's free. And if you guys ever want to change your mind, you know, like this guy's boring, then hopefully it never happens. But you can go and take it off. So that being said, I will see you guys next week, hopefully with a brand new video. I have no idea what it's gonna be, but I just know that it's going to be a banger. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next week. God bless and stay safe, people.